Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are remotely working on another computer and need to print a document directly to the physical printer sitting right next to you, AnyDesk utilizes a virtual printer to route the job across the network. I will show you exactly how to install the driver and print locally right now. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure the virtual printer software is installed on the remote computer you are currently controlling. Open the main AnyDesk window on the remote machine, click the 4-line menu in the top right corner, select Settings, and navigate to the Printers tab. Click the Install AnyDesk Printer button and follow any administrator prompts to complete the setup so the remote operating system recognizes it as a valid output device. Next, open the document, PDF, or web page you want to print on the remote computer. Press Ctrl and P or use the standard print menu within that specific application. When the print dialog appears, open the Destination drop-down menu and select the newly installed AnyDesk Printer instead of any of the remote office's physical hardware, and then click the Print button. Finally, AnyDesk will instantly intercept that print job and securely transmit the data to your side of the connection. Within a few seconds, an AnyDesk Print dialog box will automatically pop up on your own local computer screen. Simply select your actual physical local printer from the provided list, adjust any final layout or color settings, and click Print to start producing your physical copy. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.